The second International Conference and Exhibition on Ayush and Wellness, International Arogya 2019, was organized in Varanasi from December 19th to 22nd, 2019 by Ministry of Ayush, Department of Commerce, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, FICCI and Pharmexcil to showcase the strength and scientific validation of Ayush in the global context. On the theme, an integrative system of healthcare and wellness for the world.
साथियों, पहले तो मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा फिक्की संस्था का कि आप उत्तर प्रदेश में आयुष विभाग को, विशेषकर आयुर्वेद को पूरे तरीके से प्रचार प्रसार करा करके जो उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता को लाभ देने का काम कर रहे हैं, मैं आपका बार बार धन्यवाद करता हूं, आपको बधाई देता हूं। जिस देश के प्रधानमंत्री भारतीय चिकित्सा पद्धति पे विश्वास करते हों, उस देश में भारतीय चिकित्सा पद्धति को, उस पद्धति को विशेषकर आगे बढ़ाने में हमारा और आपका सबका पूर्ण योगदान रहना चाहिए।
मित्रों, हम सब लोगों के लिए बहुत ही गर्व और गौरव का क्षण है। जिस चिकित्सा पद्धति के बारे में हम सब लोग यहाँ चर्चा कर रहे हैं, यही चिकित्सा पद्धति, इस चिकित्सा पद्धति को दुनिया में भारत ने देने का काम। हम दुनिया के मानक के साथ अपने को खड़ा कर रहे हैं और इस आयुष विद्या को खड़ा करने का काम कर रहे हैं। ये बहुत बड़ा परिवर्तन निश्चित रूप से इस देश के अंदर दिख रहा है, जो दुनिया को भी संदेश देने का काम कर रहा है।
The mega event was spread across an area of 10,500 square meters and witnessed a footfall of 5,50,000 visitors and 7,255 business visitors in 4 days. Ayush, that is Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy, are comprehensive scientific systems of medicine being practiced in India. The present and emerging crucial challenges to healthcare and medicine have necessitated the use of both conventional or traditional, all the available systems of medicine. India has a long history of using traditional medicines for healthcare and developing them with modern scientific outlook. Yoga, which is a drug-less therapy, has already become the icon of global health, and many countries have started integrating this therapy in their healthcare delivery systems. The International Summit saw participation of over 224 manufacturers of alternative medicine who showcased their products and services. 262 delegates from more than 60 countries of Africa, Middle East, CIS and SAARC participated in the event.
Yeah, it's a very quite interesting program, and I believe that with this, we will expose other alternative way of taking care of patients, especially in the traditional way, which is Ayurvedic. And I'm really appreciate the organizer.
Exhibition hall are really well designed. The stores are really easy to find, and all the products are well organized on the shelf.
And I am so much happy about getting in touch with some companies that are developing or manufacturing Ayurvedic medicine.
A reverse buyer-seller meet with delegations of wellness and healthcare sector was organized with the objective of developing strategic partnerships and scientific variation of Indian system of medicine in the global context, and to promote and strengthen awareness and interest about Ayush. Indian CEOs roundtable and structured B2B meetings were organized with discussions on topics like mainstreaming the brand through global strategies, integration of Ayush services in modern healthcare, global regime and standardization of Ayush products and services, value chain integration and providing quality raw materials, and prevention and management of urban lifestyle diseases. The whole world is looking towards India for natural and holistic healthcare solutions through Ayurveda. International Arogya 2019 opened new doors of opportunities for trade and collaboration with world partners, as well as for research and development of new formulations.